Welcome to a recipe for sweet apple. First we take one apple and take the peel off. Then we cut it into small pieces. Once we are done, we put a pot with boiling water, around 1.5 cups, and put the apple inside. Let it cook for around 10 minutes. We add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Here we go! Once the apple is well cooked, we can put it into a bowl and we have a super sweet and tasty dessert, or we can eat it for breakfast. If you want to use more of the cinnamon juice, you can add it, of course. Even drink the rest. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.